guys, it's Robin, and I have some awesome pops to share today. I think I got all of these at FYE recently. It's the rest of the Secret Life of Pets collection. I previously opened Snowball and Max, so I have today Duke and Chloe. So cute. I love Chloe, she's so funny. And Gidget, who's adorable. And oh, I love these guys. Then I have two awesome 80s movies pop. It's Elliot and E.T. from E.T. I opened Gertie up ages ago, and I finally getting around to opening up them. And Big Bird, the final pop in my Sesame Street collection. I love these characters. Let's get Big Bird out of the box. He's cool. So why not? Oh, I just tore the box, but that's okay because he's not going to stay in this box. Ugh. Too many boxes. Not enough room for pops. Wow. Oh my gosh, he's so cute. Look at Big Bird. Oh my gosh, look at the legs with the stripy look that he's got. His arms are open. The beak is so cool. I remember I had this really cool like Big Bird plushie when I was a kid back in the 1900s. And I think he had like a pull string. But I remember his beak being very squishy. But this one is not squishy. He's so cute. Alright, here's Chloe. She's a very cool character in Secret Life of Pets. And I really like the design on her. Very cool. Not very typical Funko design at all, because it's just a totally different shape. That's so cool. And if you guys see, there's Funko Pets now. There's cats and dogs, but there's not a pug. Maybe there will be in the next week. And here is Duke, who is just so hilarious. Oh my goodness, he's just a big poofy ball of a dog. So huge. The designs on these are fantastic. They're just so cute. And I love the D on his collar here. He just looks really... Why is it sticky? Ew. Is it scented? I don't know. Like my strawberry shortcake one, the purple pie man was sticky too. And the adorable Gidget. She's so cute. I don't even know what kind of dog she is. But she's a big poof ball. She's so cute and such a sweet, sweet character. And she's adorable. Penny, what do you think of these puppies? She's like, I don't care. Look at my booty. So here is E.T., which looks so adorable. He's so cute. There's Gertie on the back. This is a really cute box. Oh, too bad I'm not keeping it. Oh, he's so cute. Oh. I think he looks adorable. And his finger's kind of glowing. Oh, he's super, super cute. Phone home. Oh, and he needs his friend Elliot. Oh, I just opened another pop called Elliot, the Teeth Dragon Pop, which I love. And, okay, I originally wasn't going to get Elliot, but I found out he has Reese's Pieces in his hand, and it was like, that is such a cool detail. It made me want to get him. I don't know. It's the little things sometimes that really makes a character. So cool, and he's got his little hoodie, and just a very cool little guy. Aw, they're adorable. So what do you guys think of my pop haul today? I've got Elliot and E.T. from E.T. And then we have Gidget and Chloe. Now, and Gidget is really heavy, and Chloe is super, like, hollow feeling. And so is Duke. Like, Gidget is heavier than Duke. Isn't that weird? But I guess it's because of the different material on them. So there's those three from Secret Life of Pets. And then there's Big Bird, who's so cool. Big Bird might be my favorite, but the pets are really great, too. So let me know which one is your favorite. I hope that you will hit the subscribe button. That would be really awesome if you did. And you can follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Honey, which was your favorite? She's like snoring. She doesn't care. She doesn't care about pops. Thank you so so much for watching, and thanks for being awesome. Bye! Hit Penny on the head to subscribe, and make sure you check out our other videos. Thanks for watching!